Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin and the Robinhood listing. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. And guys, we are absolutely enjoying amazing gains today, up 46%. Now, obviously, we are all doing extremely well as long as you were buying the dips like we were doing. But anyways, make sure that you guys leave a like and subscribe on this video as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Also, comment what you would do if you got a billion Shib in your wallet today. What would you do? Let's try to hit a like goal of 300 likes on this video. I know we can do it. Let's hit that. But anyways, if you guys want some free Shiba Inu Coin, make sure you guys use the first link in the description. Deposit $1 on public, and you're gonna get to $500 worth of free stock. I personally got $300 worth of free stock of Amazon. I sold that, put it into Shiba Inu Coin, got myself $300 worth of Shiba Inu Coin. You might as well try it out with the first link in the description. But anyways, also join our private Discord to get our buy and sell alerts. We've been buying the dip on Shib for so long, and our whole Discord just came up on it. So if you guys want to get up on that, and then also other cryptos that we're buying, go ahead and join our private Discord. We've been absolutely killing it, especially in the last week. You can check our Instagram for the gains we've been putting out on there. But anyways, we're talking about Shiba Inu Coin and Robinhood today. We're also going to discuss technical analysis at the end of the video. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video to hear everything I have to say. But yeah, first I do want to go over the social volume. So in crypto, the biggest thing is going to be that you are trending, that you're being talked about online. And a way to check that is with both Stock Twits and Lunar Crush. You can see here Shiba Inu Coin is trending #1 on Stock Twits. This is on a Monday, which normally on Mondays stocks tend to trend and crypto don't, but Shiba Inu Coin is that #1 trending ticker symbol. And then also we're the most active cryptocurrency or stock by a pretty wide margin here, with 10,000 messages in the last 24 hours. And also we're going to be #2 in terms of added to watch list. But you can see here, we already had like 150,000 people watching it. So that's very good. But anyways, we can also see on Lunar Crush, which is going to be something that only tracks pretty much just altcoins, and I guess crypto in general. I guess it does track Bitcoin too, but you can see here we're #1 on here, and you can also see that this purple line is going to be how much we're being talked about online, and this is the highest I've seen it in a very, very long time. So whenever we're being talked about a lot, that's when our price tends to go up, and you can see with that purple line, the blue line followed. But anyways, now let's discuss why I think Shiba Inu Coin could be getting listed on Robinhood soon. So if you guys don't know, I like to track the whales. I like to track whales, and this is going to come from Whale Stats. If you guys don't know, this is the analysis of the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets on Ethereum. So you can see that Shiba Inu Coin is the #1 traded token in the past 24 hours. Why does this matter, you might be asking? Well, in the last 24 hours, whales have been loading up on Shiba Inu Coin. Normally when whales load up on Shiba Inu Coin, something happens. The last example of this, whales were said to have bought like hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Shib, and then the Shiba Inu metaverse was released about 2 weeks ago, and we had about a 20 to 25% jump. Well, they have been loading up once again, and nothing has been announced yet. Could it be Robinhood? Could it be, something else? Could it be Shibarium being released today? I don't. That's probably a bit of a stretch. I personally think it's Robinhood, but I'll tell you why more in just a second. I also want to mention that the top holdings of all tokens, you can see here, Shiba Inu Coin is the #2 holding, right behind FTX token of the top 100 Ethereum wallets, excluding Ethereum, obviously. But now let's get into why I think Shiba Inu Coin is going to get listed on Robinhood. So #Shib whales have been buying up Shib at alarming rates. Could they know something about Robinhood listing? This is coming from our Twitter account. I think they do. What else could we possibly have coming up? The metaverse is not going to be ready to be released yet. The Shiba Inu Coin game is not getting released for another 6-7 months. Other catalysts pretty far away, other than Shibarium, maybe Shiba Swap 2.0. But we do know something. Last time Robinhood mentioned Shiba Inu Coin, they said that Robinhood is going to wait for regulatory clarity before listing Shiba Inu and other cryptos. But they did say, hey, it's not lost on us that our investors are, are people that trade on our platform want to see more cryptocurrencies, and we should be adding them soon. That's what they said. They didn't specifically say adding Shiba Inu Coin soon, but they did say they will be adding more crypto soon. But they want regulatory clarity. Well, they said that they were in contact with regulators about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So they were in contact with regulators, and they wanted regulatory clarity. Could they have possibly gotten that regulatory clarity? I think it's a possibility. If they did get that regulatory clarity, these whales could be buying in. Like I said on Twitter here, these whales could be buying in because they know these regulators, they know, higher ups at Robinhood, and they're like, hey, we are going to be, listing Shiba Inu Coin soon. I know it sounds very unfair, but the markets, especially the crypto markets, are definitely unfair and they're not regulated. So, but I think the Robinhood listing could very, very possibly be coming soon. That is my prediction. But yeah, also follow us on Twitter at It's Finance Bro. Next up, I do want to go over the global crypto market. So here we are. You can see that we're sitting at a $2 trillion crypto market cap. That's a 5% increase over the last day. Bitcoin and Ethereum both up 4 and 5%, but nothing compares to Shiba Inu's gains here at the 46% range. We're outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum by 40%. And this is going to be the big number here, the volume. The volume is up to $5.2 billion. That's an 800% increase. If we could see this volume get to $10 billion, we could easily see Shiba Inu Coin get to the 50 or even 60 range with another, a massive amount of gains. But we'll discuss that more in the technical analysis now. So you can see here that our technical analysis, we did chart out this pattern yesterday, and now we had a bit of a bull flag form, and we correctly charted out a gain to about the 34.50 area. I personally think our next resistance is honestly at the 40 right here. This was a previous resistance we couldn't get over, and we just got over our next resistance I saw at the 32. There's a bit of a resistance here at the 34. That's why we stopped here, also just because there wasn't enough buying volume to keep it going that much. I personally think we're going to form a bit of a bull flag here, but we are kind of in the overbought territory at the 82 RSI. That's a lot. We are trending up on the MACD still. However, I think we're going to consolidate, maybe trade between the 33.5 area and the 34.5 area for another 3, 4, 5 hours, and then we could possibly break all the way up to the resistance at the 40. That's personally what I see happening with Shiba Inu Coin. But let me know what you think will happen in the comment section below. Make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you'll get up to $500 with free stock. I personally got $300 stock of Amazon. I sold it, invested in Shiba Inu Coin, got myself a free $300 with the Shiba Inu Coin. But yeah, make sure you deposit $1 with the first link in the description. And then also join our private Discord to get our buy and sell alerts, get one-on-one daily interactions with us, daily crypto alerts, buy alerts, and then also first looks into new cryptos we're looking into. With that second link in the description, the private Discord is worth it. Just try it out. Come and try it out. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next one.